What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Gengar from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna begin with his ear, so I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at this corner right here. And then on the right side of the ear, I'm gonna draw two more smaller triangular shape like that. And in the middle, I'm gonna draw the triangle towards the right and a bigger one this time. Right there. And then a small one next to it on the right. And from here, from this point, I'm gonna draw the right ear, which is the same size as the left ear. And then on both sides of the ear, I'm gonna draw a short curved line across like that. And here is where his hand is, so we're gonna draw a curved line out. And then for his fingers, we're gonna draw triangular shape out at that point, and another bigger, slightly bigger one in the middle, and a smaller one at the side. So we're gonna take that line and turn it back to the body right there. And then we're gonna draw the same thing to the right hand as well. And below the hands, we're gonna draw a curved line to the legs right there. The same goes to the right side. And for his right leg, I'm gonna take this point here and draw a curved line out, and then turn it down. And then on his heels, we're gonna make a semicircle turn back into the main body right there. And then I'm gonna continue the circle line around the body to the left leg. And for the left leg, I'm gonna take this point over here and draw a semicircle line to that point, and another semicircle on this corner right here. And then for his toes, we're gonna draw three triangular shape downwards like that, and his tail, another triangular shape with a curved lines on the side. Now for the toes on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line on the side and three triangular shape in the middle. Now for his eyes, we're gonna draw a diagonal line from the top left corner of his face here and draw to the center. And below that, I'm gonna draw a semicircle across to the outer corner of the eye there. And then for his eye, pupil, we're gonna draw an oval shape at the lower middle point there. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the right side. Now for his mouth, we're gonna draw across a curved line from this left point to the right. And for the lower line of the mouth, we're gonna draw from this point a curved line slightly further down as you reach the center, and close that up to the corner. And in the middle of this portion here, we're gonna draw his teeth. So I'm gonna draw downwards a straight line across like that.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.